Air castles are often within our grass plate in life, but then they charm not. Let there be light this. The first man gets the oyster, the second man gets the shell. Certainly the man who makes his own wealth eclipses those who inherit rank from others. He that cannot reason is a fool, he that will not a bigot, he that dare not a slave. Was killed at Bridge of D, September. East or west home is best. Is necessarily limited by his lack of knowledge of the circumstances. True it is, we only hate those whom we do not know. Wealth is not to feed our egos, but to feed the hungry and to help people help themselves. Thanks for watching.